Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, a lot of you guys, including my friends, were asking me,
Hey Lorray, what's that pen-like thing that you use on your watercolor painting?
and yes, I've used this thing on every single watercolor painting video. So, this is an Aqua brush, a paintbrush where you can store water inside. So, you don't need any extra jar of water. This is what the brush looks like. On the back part, we store water. This is the front part, and the brush is made out of synthetic hair. The hair is really good quality and holds water really well. To put in the water, we have to unscrew the bottom part. And this is where the water is stored. We have to squeeze the bottom part. Then the water will come out from here to the brush tip. The cap protects the brush when not in use. And while using, we can just put it on the back side. Now let's add some water on the brush. I like to squeeze away a few drops of water to leave some air gap in it. Now let's screw it back in. So let's see if the water is coming out by squeezing the bottom part. Nice. Now let's try this brush with some watercolor. Squeeze the back side of the brush and the water will come out. Oops, that's too much water, but it's okay. Adding few more drops of water by squeezing the brush. Now let's try some strokes with this brush. You can apply light pressure for thin lines, and by applying some pressure, you'll get thick and wider lines. The quality and flexibility of this brush is awesome. You can use this in many small areas. And the water holding capacity of this brush is very good. So you don't have to dip this brush on paints every time. You can even use this brush for calligraphy. But I'm not so good in it. Cleaning this brush is quite easy. Just take a piece of tissue paper or cloth and squeeze out the water. Along with the drops of water, the paint will also come out. And then just dab the brush on the tissue paper. After squeezing out a few drops of water, the brush will be clean. Now the brush is all clean. My brush may look a little dirty, but it is clean. The green color is because sometimes I forget to clean my brush, so the color stayed permanent. But that is not a big problem. Now let's paint a misty mountain using this paintbrush. I'm drawing one vertical line and then drawing few horizontal lines from top to the bottom to make it look like a tree. And just like that, draw a few more trees. Then connect the bottom of the trees. Now squeeze away the paint and then use light water to blend the paint. This makes it look like it's fading away. Here the paint was too thick, so I dabbed a tissue paper to remove some paint. Now draw the same thing a little bit above it. But make sure the paint is lighter to make it look like it's on a distance. Again the same thing. Connect the bottom of the tree and then blend it to make it look like it's fading away. The first one seemed a little light, so I'm making it a bit darker. I'm adding some more trees on the back. Keep in mind that the further it gets, the lighter the paint should be. Now to draw the trees that is closer, make the paint a little bit darker. Here I am drawing a vertical line and then draw a horizontal line that is little curved upwards for the branches. And repeat the same process for the rest of the trees. Add some mountains on the back and do the same process for the bottom part by blending it out. After that, add few more trees and some finishing touches. So here it is, misty mountain painting using Aqua brush. And if you like this video of me reviewing products and beginner watercolor tutorial, then subscribe to my channel for more contents like this and turn on the bell notification to know when I'm uploading my new video. And like this video for YouTube algorithm. You can also check out my other videos too, it would be really helpful. And till then, I'll see you next time.